Welcome to Hoselink. I'm Caroline, and today I'm going to show you exactly how the Hoselink system works. Now, you may be familiar with these traditional click-on type fittings with a male and a female connector that click together. Now, while they've been around for a long time, they tend to be unreliable because they could burst either at the tap or in your hand. So let's replace them with Hoselink fittings. Let me explain just why the Hoselink system works better than others. This is the Hoselink Universal Tap Connector. It comes with a size reducer that screws in at the top to fit the two standard tap sizes in Australia. Just screw it directly into the tap. This is a hose end connector. Once you've lined up the white lugs, Hoselink's patented technology works to secure the hose into the fitting, so once it's on, it stays on. In fact, we guarantee that it's never going to burst off your hose. If you look at each side of the fittings, you'll notice that they're identical. The O-ring to O-ring seal between connectors means they're 100% watertight and won't leak. Our connectors go together with a bayonet fitting, just like a fire hose. To join them together, just line up the notches and twist them to lock them together. An important step to remember is to twist far enough until the deep grooves in both fittings are aligned. This will guarantee your hose fittings will stay in place. Of course, you also want to hold a reliable connection at the spray end too, and we've got some great options for that. You can either use the hose end connector, just like the one at the tap, or you can use the hose end connector with flow control. Now, what I love about this function is that you can turn the water on and off at the spray end without the hassle of going back to the tap. We have two options for connecting to your Hoselink sprayer. This is the standard accessory connector, which you screw directly onto the end of your sprayer like this. Or use our accessory connector with swivel, which works best with spray guns. Just point and twist to connect. And now you're ready to water. So what if you have an existing sprinkler or sprayer with a click-on fitting that you want to connect with your new Hoselink fitting? Well, I'll show you exactly how to do this. The best option is to unscrew the existing click-on fitting and replace it with a Hoselink fitting. Now, what this is going to do is guarantee a watertight system from end to end. But that won't always work if the click-on fitting is molded in. So we have a click-on adapter that you can use to convert it. Now, while we guarantee that our Hoselink fittings will never burst, be aware that this doesn't apply to the click-on adapter. Welcoming Hoselink into your home won't just be the best decision you make for your garden, but the best for yourself too. You'll be waving goodbye to lost time, effort, and soaking clothes that usually result from unreliable watering products. So what are you waiting for? Stop putting up with leaking, bursting hose fittings. Make gardening a breeze and switch to Hoselink today.